Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete Instagram search suggestion when typing. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, we simply go ahead, tap on your Instagram app right over here, and we're gonna go back to home section so I can guide you through thoroughly. Then you can tap on your search icon and go to search bar over here. Now you will find every single account or the keywords that you have searched over here. Now if you want to simply go ahead delete the search suggestion when typing is, first of all tap on see all over here, tap on clear all, tap on clear all again. Now go back, and when you go ahead, go to the search bar and type anything to search, whether it's an account, a video, or any keyword, you will not get the suggestion whatsoever, because you have simply cleared all of your history. That's what you have to repeatedly do. Next, you can simply go ahead, remove the search topic as soon as you have done, or you can clear them all at once as well. That is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.